All right, hey there, Rivet family. Happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. We're starting out this week with a pretty fast-paced 10-minute AMRAP. Our AMRAP starts with a buy-in, actually two buy-ins. First, we are on the bike. We do some calories. Then we move on to our jump rope, and we do some jump ropes. And then, in whatever remains of our 10 minutes, we do as many power snatches as we can, either with a barbell or a dumbbell. That's the AMRAP part. That's the score part, right? How many snatches you can get in whatever remains. I'm hoping everybody's going to have somewhere in the 3 to 4 to maybe 5 minutes to work on the snatches. The goal today is to kind of move directly from one movement to the next without a lot of breaks. Again, we only have 10 minutes. So when we're on the bike, we're going to work at an aggressive pace, but not so aggressive that we have to rest when we get off, right? We want to go pretty fast. We want to be able to get right off that bike, and within 5 to 10 seconds, we should be jumping rope. Same thing with our jumping rope. We want to get through that in, relatively, probably 2 minutes at the most. And again, hoping to get about 3 to 4 to plus minutes on the power snatches. All right. So whatever you're using today, if you're using a dumbbell for your power snatches, right, you're going to alternate hands each rep as we do. You're pulling that dumbbell from the floor right between the feet. So we're looking to have that big jump, right? We drive those heels down into the floor. We extend the legs and hips aggressively. We shrug that shoulder. We pull that elbow up nice and high, and then punch that weight overhead. One big, fluid, and aggressive movement, right? Lots of legs and hips on the way up, and then we finish with that shrug and punch it up toward the ceiling. We'll be very aggressive with the arms. Exact same thing with the barbell, folks. We have the arms, slightly different grip, of course, but very similar mechanics. Sending those hips back. We're starting that kind of jumping position, making sure they'll drive those heels to the floor, that big leg extension, big hip extension, shrug the shoulders, pull the elbow high, and then catch with these slightly bent, right? Our power snatch. Big jump, big shrug, keeping the bar nice and close, and then also being very aggressive with the arms when we punch that weight towards the ceiling. All right? That's about it for today. Pretty simple workout. Get it done, have fun, and I will talk to you tomorrow.